Studying with EIT has been an incredible journey of learning and growth.
It's an incredible journey and amazing experience.
My journey with EIT has been inspiring and rewarding.
The EIT model, the way they set it up, works.
Studying with EIT gave me confidence and skills to advance my career.
I'm a big believer in lifelong learning.
Boosted my technical skills.
EIT's learning experience was very unique.
They are genuinely helpful and accessible.
Studying at EIT was a great journey. It was practical, flexible, and helped me grow both personally and professionally.
Yeah, just a great environment for learning.
It has been absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, EIT, for such an amazing experience. Here's to the future.
Hello everyone, and congratulations to our graduating students. You've achieved a major milestone today. You've worked hard, balanced challenges, and got to your graduation day. What you've achieved today at EIT goes beyond grades and textbooks. It's about impact, resilience, and support to your community. I also want to take a moment to thank your family and friends whose support has been invaluable to your journey here. Now remember, as you go forward, you're part of a great EIT global community, and we want you to keep in touch with us. Continue learning, show resilience, and make sure you support your communities. And once again, congratulations to everyone.
I just want to wish you an incredible, huge congratulations from our headquarters here in Perth on your amazing achievement, and you should be enormously proud of yourself with what you've done. You have done things which most people haven't bothered to try, and that is to actually finish your diploma or degree in really tough circumstances. A great congratulations from all the students that are currently going through their degrees, diplomas from 160 countries around the world. It is really impressive. I just want to say all the best from us here from the EIT team.
From all of us at EIT, you are incredible, and we wish you all the very best.
Hello everyone, and welcome to your online graduation. My name is Paul Salenza, and I will be your MC for today's ceremony. I'm the College Manager of the Vocational Education and Training here at EIT. Today, we have 140 graduates registered from many countries around the world, and we warmly welcome you, along with your family and friends from all around the world. Now, while we progress, please type in the chat box where you are right now. It's really wonderful to be able to communicate with so many people in different locations in this graduation. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate all of you. You have reached a significant milestone. And I'm sure you would all agree that the qualifications are not easily achieved. It takes a great deal of dedication and perseverance. Congratulations to you all. The program for today will include speeches from EIT's Dean and Deputy Dean, followed by a graduate address. We will then proceed to the graduate presentations, the special awards, and the EIT Teaching Excellence Awards. So, without further ado, I would now like to welcome EIT's Dean, Dr. Steve Mackay, and Deputy Dean, Indu Matthew V, for their graduate address.
Well, I'll kick off, and my name's Steve Mackay, and I'm with my good colleague Indu Matthew V, and we're going to tic-tac-toe and do our presentation. We've also got a little questions and answer for everyone that's out there, with James going to do a little profile of who's who out there on the graduation, and he's got a few questions to ask. So I think we'll, after Indu says hi, we'll pass it on to James.
Thanks, Steve. Hi, everyone. Welcome to the graduation ceremony today. I do have a little bit of a speech for you later in the session, but once again, congratulations to everyone. And you'll be hearing a lot of congratulations today, but you all deserve it.
Absolutely right. Kick off, and what we're trying to do is trying to make the contact as authentic as possible, which means that we're going to, Indu and I will chat through the slides, and we want to try and be as genuine as in the real world as possible. We've had quite a few graduations this year already. Perth, obviously the head office, Melbourne, and obviously also in Midrand in South Africa. And now we've got this graduation, and as Indu says, huge congratulations. And also, I just want to make sure you all understand quite clearly, you are just as important as the physical hands-on graduation. So have no fear about that. So really just a few points about my career. Obviously, I just want to say a few magical words. Obviously, the passion is try and engage in things really with all your whole being. Integrity is really important today. There's a huge amount of issues with AI coming in and doing your work. So integrity, being honest about who you are and what you're doing. And curiosity. I love learning new things every day, and the same thing should be true of you. Don't just think about learning from a course, but just get out there and learn from your peers online, talking, casual conversation in the coffee shop, learn something every day. There's a huge problem today, as you all be aware, particularly in the Western world, lots of sadness. People are feeling a bit crushed, I suppose, by social media, life, lots of challenges. And I honestly believe resilience is really important as well. So try and keep pushing on, persistence, and obviously support your colleagues and your friends and people in the coffee shop. Just give them love and support at all times. Optimism, I think you can be half full or half empty glass, but always try and be optimistic. That's really the way forward. Things can only get better. Hope is probably one of the main ingredients that distinguishes humans from animals. We can hope, and I honestly believe that's a really important part. And then entrepreneurship. There's a huge amount of change that's happening at the moment with AI and people saying, oh, I can't get a job. I honestly believe that it's up to us to also try and be entrepreneurial as much as possible to try and create work, create opportunities ourselves. So entrepreneurship within a big company or on your own, really important. And we've got some amazing entrepreneurs here today with the businesses they've set up and the places they're going in terms of their career, huge opportunity. So as I said before, honestly, ethical proactivity, I think is really, really important. I always think that getting a job is not necessarily about the skills that you've got, it's about who you are, your attitude, and being proactive. Get out there, make it happen, and look for opportunities. That distinguishes you from everyone else. And then just a few other points before Indu comes in with her discussion. Really, from an engineering point of view, I always love the KISS principle. I just want to ask anyone out there, can they please put in the box, what does KISS principle mean? That is really important, and that's what probably distinguishes Apple iPhones from any other phones when they first brought them out. What does KISS mean? Can anyone text it in the box? KISS principle? Yes, thank you very much, David Emmett. As he said, keep it simple, stupid, and simple and sweet, even better. Thank you. I remember that one, Galliani. That's a kinder one than stupid. So keep it simple and sweet. Absolutely right. And then the final thing is the Robert De Niro rule, which I always love. He's a very famous actor, and he always says, when you're looking at anything, if there's any doubt, there's no doubt. Always, if you're doing a design or if you're worried about a 66 kV transformer arriving on site at the right time, and you've got some doubts, you know for sure it's not going to happen. So you need to take critical action, be proactive, and fix it. And then the final comment is, you are catalysts. You have the ability to create impact. You can make things happen. So go out there and do it. And always follow integrity. Over to you, Indu, with your comments.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you, Steve. Hi, everyone. Hi, graduates. Today, I think, is a moment of transformation as well as celebration. Each of you who are present here, you've earned not just a qualification, but also a calling. And the calling is to use engineering for a force for good. So to be a catalyst of change, you are the ones who are going to help shape a smarter, fairer, and more sustainable world for all of us. You've worked hard. I know you've sacrificed plenty. I'm sure there's lots of sleepless nights, and you had to decide between whether to attend a birthday party or complete your assignments. But you've made it through every challenge that has come your way. And you should be incredibly proud of what you've achieved today. Now, throughout my own career, and like what Steve said as well, I think real progress always starts with the curiosity to find out how the world works, a little bit of courage as well as compassion. But like we say at EIT, it also goes with a bit of coffee, doesn't, coffee is always useful to also get us along the way as well. Now, you all will find yourselves, including myself, that we are at a really exciting intersection where we've got the artificial intelligence is meeting engineering, but there's a lot of opportunities there, in the terms of robotics, automation. So AI is changing, and it is going to continue to change the way we are going to design, the way you're going to build, as well as even how we learn. But it's up to us to make sure that we can make sure that the AI is used wisely to help people rather than kind of replacing them. But the thing is, no matter how clever AI gets, it still can't match the human creativity and what Steve said, the hope, the empathy, the quick problem solving. And I would always want to say that I think people underestimate the opportunity of a quick problem solving of a sleep deprived engineer. I mean, most of you who are working in the industry, you know that lots of multiple projects, deadlines, and you will meet it. And I think engineers always come up with creativity because in some form, I think we're also a little bit lazy. And that's why we come up with quick solutions to make sure our work is, very productive. But as you take your next steps, I want you to keep a few things in mind. Be bold in your ideas, but be humble in your approach. Work together because, as you know, real innovation happens when different minds connect and different ideas come together. But always lead with integrity and empathy because the best engineers never forget their humanity. Now you're entering an era where your technology and responsibility need to work hand in hand. But your knowledge is your toolkit. You've learned a lot during your EIT days, and also use your imagination as your engine. And the world truly needs what you are able to bring and what you're already bringing in as well. But remember, today's success isn't yours alone. Behind every graduate, I'm sure there is a huge support crew, your families, your friends, maybe your children and your partners who've cheered you on. So thank them as well. And I want to thank your families and friends too. And their love and passion has encouraged for you all to graduate today. And as the saying goes, it takes a village, to raise someone, and that's what's happened. And here at EIT as well, I want to thank all the staff that have been behind in supporting you through your journey, our learning support officers, our academic team, the student support, and so on. Each one of us, I'm sure, have played an important part in helping you succeed. But thank you and wish you all the best in the future.
Yeah,
over to you, Steve, if you want to add a few things.
Yeah, no, thanks, Indu. I think Indu's put it right down to everyone here. We are so proud of you, wherever you are in the world. And the amazing thing about EIT is it's not just about academics, which obviously Indu leads with great passion, but it's also about the learning support officers, the other staff members who are absolutely critical in getting you through and helping you and in giving you that necessary support. So that it's a real spectrum. And I just want to say again, there's a lot of words said about AI, and as Indru's already mentioned, the AI that's impacting on everyone here. But just bear in mind, you still need to be critical in your thinking. There's so much gibberish that's produced with AI that you probably will be disappointed if you think this can take over and do everything for you. You've got to be critical, creative, and think differently. And, you know, there's so many things AI can't do very well, but it's a very useful tool, definitely, but use it wisely and be always critical about how you use it. I mean, for example, just trying to create a diagram with AI is challenging. Doesn't do it very easily. Hopefully that's fixed in the future, but you've got to be critical about everything coming out. So really important. And the final point I want to make on that slide is, I always find it a bit distressing to say this, but all the technical knowledge that you have is really important. But unfortunately, you've got to be able to communicate those ideas well. I always say you've got to be able to communicate them in language that your grandmother can understand. And that is absolutely critical, communication. And we've got a very bad language to use, by the way. English is probably not a very well chosen language to use as a global language, but that's what we have to use. And that is really critical for you as engineering professionals in your communication. So thanks, Indu, for your wonderful presentation. Always dwarfs my more feeble attempt, but thank you very much. And let's get on. Let's see what happens going forward. And once again, congratulations. Very, very proud of everyone here.
Thanks, Steve, and congratulations again, everyone. And remember that every bridge you build, every circuit that you design, or every algorithms that you write, it must contribute to a more smarter, kinder world. Congratulations, and may your journey continue with purpose, pride, and passion. And remember, lifelong learning. So we do hope to see you back in some of our professional development, technical webinars, or continuing a study with us. But thank you, one and all. We are at EIT are all very proud of you.
They were really inspiring presentations. I really appreciate the emphasis on resilience, learning from failure, and using technical expertise to make a positive impact on society and the planet. It was a powerful reminder that engineers truly are catalysts for change. I would now like to invite EIT's Technology Manager, James Mackay, to lead an interactive reflection on the class of 2025's experience at EIT.
Thank you very much, Paul, and hello, everyone. As Paul said, my name is James, and I look after the technology at EIT. Truthfully, I'm really just the glorified tech support person. What I would like to do is, as Paul said, a short interactive activity, and the purpose behind this is to learn a bit more about our graduates. So let me share my screen. Can I please ask all graduates to take your phones out, and then what I want you to do is scan the QR code on the left here. So get your phones out. I'm not sure if anyone's familiar with using the QR code function. I'm sure many were during the pandemic. So get your phones out, scan that QR code. Oh, great, we've already got 9 people on, so just scan the QR code. Now, if you are unable to scan the QR code, there is a link you can join. It's ahaslides.com/1B78Q. I'll just paste it in the chat here. So if you wanted to attend on your computers or answer on your computers, you're more than welcome to. Excellent. We'll just wait a few more seconds for more people to join. Yep, 37, great. Okay, so if I'm going to move to the first question. So yeah, there's a series of questions we're going to ask you all. And then what I want you to do, whether it's on your phone or your computer, if you can please answer them with whatever, with the field that pops up, then they'll appear on the screen in real time. So we'll jump to the first question. Can you describe in a few words what your toughest hurdle was during your studies. So please, everyone, go ahead and answer the question. Just all it is a few words. That's all we need. Time management. Yep, time zones. I did see someone who in the comments who was actually up now at 1 a.m. So I really appreciate that. That's really would have been quite tough waking up quite early for this. So we do really appreciate your attendance here. Work-life balance. Time zones, yep. Keeping concentrated, yep. I can imagine. No offense to some of our academics, I can imagine though some of the work and the engineering concepts would be potentially quite boring. So I really appreciate that. You know, be quite hard to stay concentrated, especially if you're trying to juggle, the work-life balance. If you've got a family, you're trying to do this very intensive course. We do really, we do acknowledge that would be quite a tough one. Resilience, obviously, a very key one as well. Sleepless nights, yeah, that's pretty full on. But yeah, manage work and education. Again, the work-life balance, completely understandable. Okay, excellent. We'll jump to the next question. Just to confirm, we will send these out after. So, what is your engineering discipline? Time. Okay. Mechanical engineering, industrial automation. Yep. See a few mechanicals there. Lighting design, cool.
If I could jump in as well, James.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's obviously a huge, you can see the incredible range of students from trades, artisans, all the way up to technicians, technologists, engineers, and obviously the doctoral students as well. So it's quite impressive that complete range, and that's the future, is being able to work in all those different areas.
I do see IT engineering, so person after my heart. That's really
so
fantastic
IT
to
is
see.
obviously, it's obviously a big driver. Everything we do is driven by algorithms, as you know, with AI. So it's good to see.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. No, you go. Sorry, Steve.
And also just the killer with all this online study. I mean, we've got graduates obviously on campus, but there's most of the students at EIT are online, and the biggest killer is trying to set up a habit to have your time for your work, your study, and obviously your home life, your work life, and trying to set that time management up is absolutely critical. And that's why people bail from the courses, because they say, hey, I just can't cope. I'm just overwhelmed, mate. I've had it. So certainly time management is really, really critical. Trying to set up a time. So everyone that's graduating today obviously has got that SMIC right, time management.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Cool. We'll jump to the next question. So, was there a specific EIT staff member who helped you succeed, if you can remember? Charlene, yep.
Back in here, Charlene, yep. Hardy, Dr. Hardy Hart. What's amazing is that you've got all these people all over the world that are supporting here, and they're passionate. Dion. And it's just lovely to see that. And also what I really love about those names is they're all from a sort of learning support officer, manager, support team, as well as academics. So it's the whole range, which is so exciting to see. That it is the modern college, is that range of people, not just one particular teacher, but everyone. I mean, I see Sharon Bowler there. Really wonderful to see. Nana, they are passionate about supporting their students, and they getting the materials ready, for the students. It's just wonderful to see that range. And Dion, by the way, there has been teaching for, I think, 35 years, from NASA in Houston to the New York Stock Exchange, actually, New York Stock Exchange, of course, on, I think, on technical writing. So Dion has been all over the world, and obviously around Australia. And obviously Dr. Heidi Hard is also amazing, based in Barcelona, and also amazingly passionate and a huge success. And he was actually into AI 15, 20 years ago, producing solutions for the Japanese, even though he's based in Spain, but passionate about his students, from advanced diplomas all the way up to supervising doctoral students. Sorry, James.
No, thank you. Thank you, Steve. Yeah, no, really, yeah, no, it's really fantastic to see here. There's I know, as Indu said in the chat, yeah, I do love whoever said too many. It's very great response. Thank you.
Indu, if you want to comment about these, just jump in as well. Feel free.
Yeah, will do. Thanks, Steve.
So, can you find one word to describe how you feel about being here today? Blessed on.
I must say, I always, as I get to my evening of my life, I always think that gratitude is a really important, grateful. Yeah, be grateful and celebrate the little things in life, and celebrate your successes. Well, this is a huge success, graduating, but celebrate those all the time. Keep reminding, and that is what is life's about.
And I do believe proud is a very, very good one, because you should all be very proud of this achievement.
Definitely.
Proud of myself, yeah, absolutely. And be strong in yourself. You've achieved something, and make sure that you build on that. And that is always an amazing part of your life.
Absolutely. Cool. Just a few more questions. So, what are your long-term career aspirations? Now, you don't get much space to respond. There's only a few words, but in a few words, if you can summarize that, that'd be fantastic.
We had a very good one in Melbourne, Indu, you'd love. It was to be, what is it? To be
world domination.
Boss.
Oh, yeah.
World domination would be someone's boss. Yeah, so certainly.
Always aim high.
Aim high, yeah. But certainly management, entrepreneur, that's brilliant, because at the end of the day, you will create employment opportunities for others. And it doesn't need to be entrepreneur on your own. You could be in a big company, it doesn't matter. But think about how you can build on what you're doing and create opportunities for your company, for yourself, for your colleagues, for new people. That's what life's about.
I saw, it jumps around quite a bit, but I saw the comment, keep learning. And I think that is also essential, especially in today's world. Things change so fast.
That's a challenge with a lot of engineers. They get to 40, 50 and they say, mate, I've had enough. And you've really got to keep moving ahead. As I said, it doesn't necessarily mean formal courses, but it means just learning from others around you. Keep moving all the time. Keep that brain tested all the time. Obviously, physically keep yourself running, but also keep mentally challenged all the time. And it gets harder, believe me, as you get older, but you've got to keep pushing yourself and enjoy it.
Absolutely. Awesome. I think that was it. So
yeah, that's good.
I will stop sharing, but what I want to do just before we move on, now in the comment section, does anyone have any final feedback or any other experiences they'd like to share surrounding their studies at EIT? Any challenges or anything they experienced throughout, any anecdotes perhaps that they'd like to mention? Just even a few words is fine, just to understand if there's anything that our graduates would like to add surrounding their overall learning experience.
We move on to the moment you've all been waiting for, the graduate presentations. I would like to invite EIT Learning Support Officer Sisipo Pakamisa to announce the graduate names.
Thank you kindly, Paul, and welcome, and hi everyone. Welcome to the graduations. So excited to be here. Congratulations once again to everyone. So the proceedings today will start from diplomas right through to Doctor of Engineering, and we will start with our diplomas. The first one, can everyone see my screen, I'm assuming? We will start with the Diploma of Engineering. Diploma of Leadership and Management. The graduate is congratulations to Sean Morgan. And then for the advanced diplomas, we've got the Advanced Diploma of Leadership and Management. Congratulations to Feruza Abdualweva. Ruben Nuseb. Advanced Diploma of Applied Electrical Engineering, Electrical Systems, Brian Agricole. Hoi Lin Ang. Avinash Kishore Balaraj. Christopher Chigogo. Sarel Gutsia. Michael Cotton. Ahmed Dula. Christopher Haas. Walde Inotwefa Kanjimbi. Basil Garabanos. Uneile Kisha. David Lung. Benny Mahawe. Batlang Maruping. Simplish Muzala Muchuma. Theophilus Ndlovu. Gatsheni. Edward Nyamande. Neville Palmer. Craig Sieb. Arjant Singh. We move now to the Advanced Diploma of Applied Electrical Engineering, Power Industry. We've got Dane Burton. Matthew Geoffrey. Michael Lay. Miller Obet. Jack Trevanian. Luke White. Benjamin Winter. And for the Advanced Diploma of Applied Electrical Engineering, Renewable Energy, it's Diogo Piva Neves. The Advanced Diploma of Biomedical Engineering, congratulations to Sharada Katuawala. Advanced Diploma of Civil and Structural Engineering, Tiba Mhlubulwana. Francois Nel. Advanced Diploma of Electrical and Instrumentation E&I Engineering for Oil and Gas Facilities, Benedito Bua. Donvery Vengesa. Noe Zindora. Advanced Diploma of Electrical and Instrumentation Engineering in Mining, Bauketsi Ilapile. Tendai Amos Munyangadze. Khufa ona Sichotlo. Advanced Diploma of ESI Power Systems, Anthony Heck. Advanced Diploma of Illumination Engineering and Lighting Design, Nico Fisser. Advanced Diploma of Industrial Automation Engineering, Khailani Al-Khatib. Augustina Ashipala. Vanessa Bean. Julian Bianco. Nomo Choto. Emiliano Diogo. Quinton Green. Cornelius Johannes Kapp. Terence Kanji. Sigbertus Kajipu. McDonald Kinesi. Thekololo Onofile Kichapetswe. Randy Kiluba. Jocelyn Lowe. Shenesu Emmanuel Mashonganyika. Vusi Umuzi Mataha. Manchi Mufukenge. Tanaka Muchibwa. Miket Narda. Tegan Pillay. Travis Tim. For the Advanced Diploma of Industrial Data Communication, Networking and IT, Joseph Muriro. Advanced Diploma of Mechanical Engineering Technology, Miguel Ellison. Yakoba Paulina Bota. Cheslin Buchart. Egan Brathwaite. Cody Bronze. Felish Kakushi. Believe Chanweda. Patrick T. Chakonda. Brendan Chiwaya. Neva Chidzanira. Baphabitsi Jarapane. Kago Litebele. Kutlo Butlhuku Mashabane. Percy Ruramai Matogo. Akasho Masuku Mbwa Abui. Thabiso Murapetsane. Bradley Morris Bay. Conrad Mushipe. Frank Muamuaja. Quintus Preslua. Winnie Samuel. Constantino Tundepi. Monique Twillig. Werner Webb. Dirk Wolf. Advanced Diploma of Robotics and Mechatronics Engineering, Alistair Clark. Justin Fishley. Matthew Francis. And we move to the graduate certificates. Congratulations so far to everyone. The graduate certificate in renewable energy technologies, Samuel Apolinario João Baptista. Milady Domingos. Johan Itula. Ngobile Matutu. Graduate Certificate in Civil Engineering Structural. Masigo Elizabeth Khupulang. Graduate Certificate in Industrial Automation Engineering. Charles Akpanowo. Blessing Akpomuha. Noberto Sanjipa. Graduate Certificate in Safety, Risk and Reliability Engineering. Nyasha Chipoya. Benjamin Collins. Undergraduate certificates. The undergraduate certificate in electrical engineering, Reese Emerson. Dara Melanie. Undergraduate certificate in mechanical engineering, David Emmett. Dawn Ranwala. And now for the Bachelor of Science. The Bachelor of Science, Civil and Structural Engineering, Algate Panyika Mtema.
Philippus Rudolph Bota.
The Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, Hanan Audley. Kenneth Khono. The Bachelor of Science Industrial Automation Engineering, Fortune Chipeta. Udirile Mabote. Devald Dupria. David Wainaina. The Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, Uleboheng Boleo. Rahid Saini. For the graduate diploma, we've got the Graduate Diploma of Engineering, Civil and Structural. Prapath Dela. Farai Gutu. The Graduate Diploma of Engineering, Electrical System, Vashil Lucian Lazar. Graduate Diploma of Electrical of Engineering, Industrial Automation, Tawanda Singizi. Daniel Awa Tening. Graduate Diploma of Engineering, Mechanical, Ahmed Abdallah. And now for the Master of Engineering. Master of Engineering, Civil and Structural. We've got Christopher Atame. Hamad Jafaripo Gavini. And Master of Engineering, Electrical Systems, Sean Power. Nastasia Hambuda. Vera Mohenu. Amit Raina. Ray Robinson. Mohammed Samad. Master of Engineering, Industrial Automation. Abiodun Adiwale. David Hogan. Emmanuel Ayanda Sekhaoke. Eugene Akuno. Ingo Kern. Johanna Nambo Ndatinda. Mahesh Ruwan Patiranch. Sakile Simon Nkosi. Tawanda Masarira. Master of Engineering Mechanical. Ellen Meneka. We now move on to the Doctor of Engineering. We've got Mr. Lassie Sentaheu Abate. J. West. Abdullah Muhayyid. Congratulations once again to everyone. And this is where we conclude the reading of the graduates. We'll now move on to the Graduate Special Awards. I will hand it over to you, Paul. Thank you.
Thank you, Sisipo. And congratulations to all the graduates here today. It's a wonderful, wonderful achievement from you all. A lot of hard work and dedication has gone into achieving these qualifications. Well done. I would now like to welcome my colleague, EIT lecturer and course coordinator, Dr. Anna Evangelista, to present the Graduate Special Awards.
Thank you, Paul, and hello, everyone. So this segment of the ceremony is dedicated to recognizing outstanding EIT students. The first award is the Future Impact Award. This award recognizes an engineer whose work is shaping a smarter, more sustainable future through innovative and future-focused engineering. Our winning entrant is an electrical and instrumentation supervisor at an energy from waste power plant, where non-recyclable waste is converted into renewable energy, reducing landfill and lowering emissions. Through advanced automation, monitoring, and predictive maintenance, he improves system performance and also safety and efficiency, while supporting long-term goals such as decarbonization and energy resilience. His work is a strong example of engineering driving meaningful environmental and industrial change. Graduating from the Advanced Diploma of Applied Electrical Engineering, Electrical System, please join me in congratulating our winner, Avinash Kinshore Balaraj.
Thank you so much. I'm very excited and honored to receive the Future Impact Award. My journey at EIT has been full of learning, inspiration, and growth, and I'm truly grateful to my lecturers and everyone who supported me. This award motivates to me keep aiming higher to make a positive impact everywhere I go. Thank you for this honor.
Amazing. Now we have the Change Maker Award. This award recognizes an individual who has acted as a true catalyst for change, leading initiatives and creating positive transformation through their work. Our winning entrant is a minor electrician who played a key role in designing and implementing a on-grid solar PV system with battery storage at their mine. This project now powers essential equipment, reduces carbon emissions, and lowers reliance on the electricity grid, delivering clear environmental and community benefits. His initiative also led to a move into EIT Electrical Support Department, where they now support and improve the electrical network for both the mining and the local town. His commitment to sustainable energy and practical leadership strongly reflects the purpose of his award. Graduating from the Graduate Certificate in Renewable Energy, please join me in congratulating our winner, Johan Itula.
Hi everyone, I'm deeply humbled and honored to accept this award. I want to thank the Almighty God for guiding me this far, and I want to thank EIT for this incredible recognition. Moreover, I would like to extend my gratitude to everyone for your unwavering support that led to this achievement. This achievement demonstrates perseverance and also hard work and serves as both stepping stone and the reflection of hard work I put in at EIT. It also motivates me to use my skills learned to make a positive impact in my field, to protect our community and environment using renewable energy technologies, such as introducing solar energy monitoring programs to compare solar energy consumption to grid energy, which saves money and preserves trees. I'm proud to contribute and do more to reduce carbon emission and promote a sustainable future using clean energy. Thank you very much.
Well done. Now we have the Resilience Award. This award recognizes a graduate who has shown exceptional resilience through adversity, demonstrating determination, perseverance, and unwavering commitment to complete their studies. Our winner balanced full-time work, family responsibilities, farming, and academic study as a single parent while completing this qualification. Along the way, he faced significant setbacks, including being flagged as a student at risk and needing to reassess several modules. Through support, personal discipline, and renewed focus, he pushed through and ultimately graduated with an outstanding average of 87%. His resilience extended beyond the classroom into the workplace, where he applied his learning to improve safety by helping implement monitoring sensors and alarm systems at a diamond cleaning plant, directly reducing risks from hazard materials. His journey is a powerful example of turning setbacks into stepping stones through the hard work, persistence, and self-belief. Graduating from the Advanced Diploma of Industrial Automation, please join me in congratulating our Resilience Award winner, Terence Kanji.
Hi everyone, my name is Terence Kanji, and I'm honored to receive this Resilience Award from EIT. I know resilience has been at the foundation of my journey because I've been balancing studies, work, and personal commitments. It has really been challenging. I would like to say thank you to EIT for providing a supportive learning environment, and I would also like to thank the lecturers. They really did encourage us, and I would like to give a shout out to my employer, NDTC, for sponsoring my studies and believing in my personal growth. And to the graduates, fellow graduates, congratulations guys, and I hope we apply what we have learned in classrooms, in our industries, respective industries, And I would also like to say it has been such an honor. Resilience means it's only you who has the responsibility to pick yourself up. And I'm truly honored. And thank you once again.
Amazing words, Terence. So now we have the Academic Excellence Award, that course. So this award recognizes a graduate who has achieved outstanding academic results through dedication, focus, and a commitment to master the field. Our winner approached every module with discipline and determination, striving not just to meet requirements, but to truly understand the principles of industrial automation. Along the way, he faced a challenge, including having to repeat 2 modules and relocating from South Africa to Uzbekistan. Rather than seeing these as setbacks, he used them as opportunities to deepen his understanding, balancing coursework, projects, and assessments with consistent effort. He actively engaged with lecturers and peers, applying the theoretical knowledge to real-world engineering contexts, developing both technical competence and critical thinking skills. His journey demonstrates the power of perseverance, adaptability, and a passion for engineering, resulting in successful completion of all units on the first attempt and outstanding performance across all modules. Graduating from the Advanced Diploma in Industrial Automation Engineering, please join me in congratulating our Academic Excellence Award winner, Cornelius Johannesburg.
Good day, everyone. I'm truly honored to receive the Academic Excellence Award. This achievement is a milestone I will always treasure. My sincere thanks to the Engineering Institute of Technology, to the dedicated lecturers, and the incredible support staff. Your commitment to quality, education, and real-world learning has made a profound impact on my journey. The Advanced Diploma of Industrial Automation Engineering has equipped me with practical skills, industry-ready knowledge, and the confidence to tackle complex engineering challenges. It sharpened my understanding of control systems, automation design, and the technology shaping the future of the industry. Thank you, EIT, for empowering me, for believing in your students, and for creating an environment where excellence becomes possible. It's a privilege to celebrate this moment with you all. Thank you.
Well deserved, Cornelius. Now we have the Academic Excellence Award, Higher Education. This award recognizes a graduate who has achieved outstanding academic results through discipline, focus, and strategic planning. Our winner balanced full-time work and parenting 2 young children while completing her studies, demonstrated exceptional organization and commitment. She maintained a structured study routine, set clear milestones, and approached all assignments with careful preparation, ensuring high-quality outcomes. By proactively reviewing lecture materials, actively participating in discussions, collaboration with peers, she mastered complex electrical engineering concepts and consistently achieved excellence. Despite these demands, she earned a high GPA of 3.92 and achieved a high distinction for her final year project, design and implementation of a robust control system for a performance improvement of a 5 megawatt grid connected solar PV plant using MATLAB Simulink. Her achievement reflects resilience, perseverance, and unwavering dedication to academic excellence. Graduating from the Bachelor of Science, Electrical Engineering, please join me in congratulating our Academic Excellence Award winner, Heinani Odi.
Hello everyone, my name is Hanan Udli. I'm truly honored to receive the Academic Excellence Award. I want to express my sincere gratitude to EIT for this recognition. A big thank you to all lecturers and the entire academic team for their support, guidance, and dedication. Studying at EIT has been an incredible experience. It challenged me, inspired me, and strengthened my passion for engineering. This award means a lot to me. It reflects not only the hard work, but the encouragement and belief of the people around me. I'm grateful for the knowledge, the skills, and the confidence I gained throughout this journey. Thank you again to EIT and to everyone who has been part of my learning experience. I'm truly honored, and I look forward to applying everything I have learned in my engineering career ahead.
Amazing. So congratulations to all the special award winners again. Now back to you, Paul. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Anna, and congratulations to all the special award winners. All the special award winners are hugely deserving of the award, and I think we'll all agree they all spoke really, really, really well. Just a reminder to everyone, all the videos and everything tonight will be on our EIT YouTube channel next week, so you'll be able to view it at the EIT YouTube channel next week. I would now like to welcome back EIT Deputy Dean Indu Matthew V to present the final awards of the ceremony, the Teaching Excellence Awards. Over to you, Indu.
Thank you, Paul. Steve, if you wanted to go first.
Yeah, I just want to say thank you so much. It's just inspirational seeing all those incredible achievements. And I just also want to add, we have an authentic site. So some people disagree, and that's great, with what we're doing. It's not easy studying, huge challenges, and our staff try and deal with everything with great integrity. So, it's you'll get ups and downs with people, students and staff, and we'll try and always do the right thing by everyone. And this is obviously a very authentic ceremony, slides bumping around, comments, but obviously our heart is always in the right place. We want to do the right thing, make sure we had standards, and it is absolutely inspirational seeing the achievements. Sorry, Indu, to jump in like that. Over back to you.
No worries, Steve. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Thank you, Paul, and thank you, Steve. Now, I would like to take the next few moments to recognize another truly special group of people who are our Teaching Excellence Award winners from both our vocational education and training sector as well as the higher education sector. Now, these dedicated educators represent the heart of EIT. Through their passion, innovation, and commitment, they inspire curiosity, ignite potential, and shape the next generation of engineers. Now, the teaching excellence is not just about delivering knowledge. It's about connecting learning to real-world practice. It's guiding students through challenges and helping them believe in what they can achieve. The impact of these educators extend far beyond the classroom. They are mentors, motivators, and role models, a true catalyst of change in their own right. So first, we've got the winners of the Teaching Excellence Awards for the vocational education and training. And first would be Frikkie Marks. Now, Frikkie is a highly experienced engineer and educator who's over 20 years of experience with EIT and over 30 years of experience with the industry. He is an expert in power electronics, electro-optical systems, EMC, EMI design and testing. And over the years, he has tackled complex engineering projects, including power systems, switch mode power supplies, UPS systems, and high reliability electronics for both military and industrial applications. Frikkie is known for a very practical hands-on teaching style, and he uses real-world examples drawn from his diverse background to explain challenging technical concepts which students often find engaging and relatable. So congratulations, Frikkie.
It's an honor and privilege to be receiving an EIT Teaching Excellence Award, which I gladly do. This acknowledgement is not only recognition for hard work, but also motivation to find even more ways to share my practical experience gained in my engineering career. Thank you for all the LSOs who diligently supported me.
Well done. We are indeed grateful to have Frikkie teaching for us. The next Teaching Excellence Award in the vet sector is Dani Stoop. Now, Dani brings to EIT decades of deep technical and academic experience rooted in both industrial practice and higher education teaching. He began his career after earning a BA in Electrical Electronics Engineering, later establishing his own consultancy and working extensively with embedded systems and industrial communications, including pioneering work in the digital communications and programmable logic laboratories. As a former university lecturer, an external examiner and moderator, Dani's teaching is grounded in real-world engineering and hands-on system design, which benefits students seeking practical, industry-relevant knowledge. Outside the classroom, he brings creativity and precision to his work, drawing on a lifetime of technical design and a passion for electronics that dates back to his school days. So congratulations, Dani.
Good day. My name is Dani Stoop. I set out to share what knowledge and experience I have with the students of EIT and not to win anything, yet this honor was bestowed upon me. I'm grateful, humbled and honored in equal parts to accept this award with many thanks to the friendly staff, tireless LSOs and eager students of EIT. Thank you. It will be a pleasure to continue serving.
Congratulations again. Now, the next we have the winners of the Teaching Excellence Award for the higher education sector. First, we have Saide Sekawat. She's a lecturer and researcher at EIT, whose background is in applied mathematics, system analysis, and IT, enabling her to bring data-driven and computational approaches to her engineering education. Her expertise includes Python programming, machine learning, deep learning, mathematical modeling, and computational image analysis. She has experience working both in academia and industry, including AI solutions for medical imaging, which enriches her teaching and research with real-world relevance. At EIT, she contributes to modern engineering programs, especially in electrical engineering, automation, and data-heavy applications, and helps students engage with cutting-edge topics like data analytics, predictive maintenance, and AI-driven solutions for power systems. Her commitment to practical contemporary skills make her a strong asset for students preparing to enter a data-intensive engineering workforce. So congratulations, Saide.
Hello everyone, I'm Saide Sakhawat and I'm truly honored to receive this Teaching Excellence Award. Thank you so much for this wonderful recognition.
Congratulations, Saide. And last but not least, our final Teaching Excellence Awards in the higher education space goes to Dr. Anna Evangelista. Now, Dr. Anna is an on-campus lecturer and course coordinator in the civil engineering at EIT, bringing around 20 years of academic experience to the role. Her background includes coordinating and teaching civil engineering units at the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, managing a construction materials laboratory, and working as a visiting research fellow in Australia on recycled concrete, demonstrating a strong research profile in sustainable construction materials and non-destructive testing for structural concrete. At EIT, she plays multiple key roles. She teaches core civil structural engineering courses, serves as work integrated learning coordinator, participates on our academic board, and supports students across the spectrum from vocational educational training to doctoral levels. Her dual commitment to academic rigor and industry-relevant education embodies EIT's mission for engineering education that blends theory, practice, and sustainability. So a huge congratulations to Dr. Anna.
Hello everyone, I'm honored to receive the Teaching Excellence Award. So grateful for the opportunity since day one. I appreciate EIT staff for supporting my teaching and research goals to make meaningful contributions to engineering education. I'm so proud to say, from vet courses to a doctorate program, students inspire me to keep doing my best. Congrats to all my colleagues. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And once again, congratulations to all the special award winners from the student and staff categories. Thank you. Back to you, Paul.
Thank you, Indumathi. The winners of the Teaching Excellence Awards have worked tirelessly to empower our students, and I would like to congratulate all of them for all their hard work and dedication to supporting our students right through all of the different courses that they assist with. That brings to a close the ceremony today. Congratulations once again to all of our graduates, and thank you to today's presenters for their time and contributions. We wish you all every success in your future endeavours, and we encourage you to stay in touch and keep us updated on your professional journeys. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thanks so much, Paul. And I just want to obviously say thank you very much, Anna and Vinka, for choreographing this unforgivingly challenging ceremony. Really appreciate it. And obviously Indu for her pronouncements on the awards. Really appreciate it. It's absolutely fabulous. And obviously a huge congratulations to everyone that's graduated today. You are always in our minds. Please stay in touch, as Indu says, please stay in touch all the time. We are one fabulous family from 160 countries, not 120 or 140, 160 countries around the world. And we all love you, and we're all so proud today of your success. I'm sure Indu will say a few final closing words, but we are absolutely just stoked, as I hear from others. Over to
Thanks,
you,
Steve.
Indu, for the final
Thanks, Steve. Yeah, and again, and last but not least, congratulations again. And I'm really hoping to see most of you back. And I know some of you are already continuing some studies with us, but please do keep in touch from our alumni group and on LinkedIn, connect with us. And we look forward to monitoring your success in engineering. Thank you all.